Good wishes, dignitaries. We are pleased to welcome you to our school. Our school's name is SRV Public School, located at Samayapuram in the Chennai National Highways, Tamil Nadu. It is administered by Sri Vigneshwara Educational Trust. Our school was established in 2018 and we have got the provisional affiliation up to secondary level on 18/7/2019 respectively. Our affiliation number is 1930992. SRV aims at enhancing knowledge, skills and compassion in the younger minds by imparting quality education to rural children and prepare them to gain access to institution of higher learning. Our school's vision and mission at large aims at creating selfless humane citizens for the society with holistic, wide educational accomplishments. This is A. Kadar Yasmin, the principal of SRV Public School, Samayapuram, Tiruchirappalli, narrating the infrastructure of our school for you. Now we can see the school gate. This is the school entrance gate. The gate is beautified by the presence of royal palm trees. 2 security guards are manned to regulate the vehicles and traffic. After getting down from the bus at the entrance, students line up and move to their respective classrooms. Here we have a parking lot exclusively for the staff members, parents and the other outsiders to park their two-wheelers. It can easily accommodate up to 80 vehicles. As it is covered with asbestos, it can shelter the vehicles even during rainy days. As it's spacey, we can park and depart without any commotion. Learning is a meditation which needs a calm and secluded environment. We, the SRV Public School, provide that abundantly for our children. As you see, we have numerous trees here that border the pathway, and this is the main pathway that leads to the main block of our school. The school premises is enclosed by strong and fortified boundary wall. This boundary wall covers the entire campus. The wall is 8 feet tall. Adjacent to the boundary wall, there is a grove of coconut trees. Our premises is eco-friendly and well maintained. This is the assembly ground. Every Monday and Friday, the ground assembly is being organized here. Other days, classroom assembly is organized. Every week, a class is given a theme like education, nature, environment, women empowerment, history, current affairs, and so on. Students take up the responsibility with the help of the class teacher and they organize the assembly themselves. This is the playground of the school. As the proverb goes, a sound mind dwells in a sound body. Our school has a very well maintained playground. Separate grounds for volleyball, shuttlecock, kho-kho and basketball are set up here. During the physical education period, students are taught drills, yoga and activities that enhance the mental health, concentration and behavior skills. When students are in the playground, utmost care is taken to ensure prevention of injuries. We now see the building overview of our school with the ground. These trees are watered and pruned regularly, and we have also habituated our students to keep their surroundings tidy. Our students keep cleanliness next to godliness. This tidy ground will be equally spotless even during the school days, and that shows how disciplined our students are. The entire campus is very clean and well maintained. To the left of the assembly ground, the admin office is located. It houses principal's cabin and the other admin sections. We can see all those things here. Adjacent to the admin office, the staff room is located. In our school, there are Two staff rooms. The staff room can accommodate 60 staff members. It is well furnished, spacious, and ventilated. It has access to internet and intercom also. Every staff is given his or her own desk and drawer. Now we are there in the first floor of our school. The computer lab is located in the first floor. The objective of this lab is to enhance the scientific and invention capacities of the students. The lab has 54 computers. It is air conditioned, well lit and spacious. Moreover, the lab has access to the internet, educational apps, and exposure to the latest technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analytics. Now we are about to enter the Composite Science Lab. It is also there in the first floor and it is located adjacent to the computer lab. Our Composite Science Lab provides a conducive ambience for the students to experience and learn science. It is a modern lab equipped with all the required apparatus. It can accommodate more than 40 students. The lab provides an open environment for the students to experiments and they learn a lot through hands-on activities here. Teachers encourage the students to exhibit the innovative skills by developing samples and models related to science. Now we are into the biology lab. The biology lab is just above the composite and the computer lab. It is there in the second floor. Observation and experiments make learning more joyful and fun. The biology lab in the second floor is well equipped with preserved specimens, models and biovisual charts which emphasize on developing scientific temper among the students. Performing experiment is an interesting activity. Having this fact in our mind, we have set up this biology lab for the students to enjoy doing experiments and learn new concepts from their experiments. We have a separate physics laboratory in our school. It is located at the right end of the first floor. This lab is well furnished and equipped with all the latest lab apparatus. We have all the equipments required for the senior secondary that ranges from lens, magnet, glass prism and spring balance to voltmeter, resistors and spectrometers. This lab will serve as a great platform for the students to nurture their experimental and analytical skills. Also, we have qualified teachers and trained lab assistants. With their able guidance, students will experiment their theoretical knowledge to have hands-on experience. We have a separate chemistry lab in our school. It is located just adjacent to the physics lab. The chemistry lab is spacious and very well ventilated. The lab is well equipped with apparatus like fume hood, distillation unit and electronic weighing machines. Concealed gas line and safety devices like fire extinguishers are also kept in both the labs separately. The acids and reactive chemicals are stored in separate cupboards with utmost precautionary measures. Students will be provided with separate workstations with individual burners and plug points. In our school, we have two mathematics labs. One is the junior math lab and the other one is the senior math lab. Both the labs commonly comprise of teaching and learning aids like games, puzzles and other materials needed for activities. Math lab paves way for the students to explore, discover and learn mathematics with immense interest. This lab, this is the junior math lab. This lab can accommodate 30 students. In the lab, hands-on math activities are conducted such as cube and tower Hanoi. These activities are intended to give children an experience of doing mathematics. This is the senior mathematics lab of our school. It is located at the left end of the second floor. And this math lab for the senior students is equipped with abacus, algebra identity, set Pythagoras theorem and time and work kit. In the senior math lab, there is an access to computer with internet facility. Reading is the heart of learning. We focus a lot on the reading activities and enhance the same for our children. We have a separate library with 4,500 plus books, reference materials for subjects, e-resources, journals, magazines and periodicals. Both Tamil and English books are kept here. They are arranged separately and maintained with accession numbers, and we issue books regularly to the children. After reading, a book review is done by the children. Teachers also use this library abundantly. After the school hours, they read and enhance their subject related skills and equip themselves with the current affairs. Azim Premji University's journals serve a very great purpose in our library. Above all, separate Leaders Club is also conducted for the children on Saturdays by the eminent Tamil writer Mr. S. Tamilchelvan and also other scholars. They give lectures and they educate our children in this library. Now we can see the boys' restrooms. There are 101 urinals and 15 toilets totally. And separate partitions are there in between each and every urinal. This is the girls' restroom, what we see now. Totally, there are 74 urinals in the girls' restroom and 32 lavatories. All the sanitary pads are disposed regularly. Our school has separate restrooms for boys and girls. Each floor has two restrooms for boys and girls separately. And the restrooms are washed daily, morning and evening with adequate cleaning people. Water is the elixir of life. We provide individual care for each child in our school. As a matter of health concern, we have set up RO plant in our school and there are 12 RO water stations. Each floor has 3 RO water points. We have 17 fire safety equipments in good working condition in our school campus. All the classrooms in our school has a smart board panel. The furniture in the primary classes are colorful so as to kindle the spirit of learning joyfully in the minds of children. We are into the first standard classroom now. It is well ventilated, lighted and well organized. Now we are into the second standard classroom. It is also well ventilated, lighted and organized, and it is also spacious in order to do activities through learning. This is an upper primary classroom meant for the 7th standard children. So here also we can see the smart board, the green board with all furniture. It is also well ventilated, lighted and well organized. There is a separate cupboard for the children to place all their notebooks and the other textbooks. All our classrooms are spacious so that our children can exhibit their talents at large with the help of differentiated instructional activities. They prepare and display projects, chart works and other activities here inside the classrooms. We have 7 additional classrooms for the senior secondary 11th standard from 11A to 11G. We are about to offer science stream, commerce stream and humanities stream. 2 classes are meant for biology, 2 classrooms are meant for computer science, another 2 for commerce stream and 1 for humanities. All these classes will be handled by qualified PG teachers. At present, the strength of 10th standard is 208 and we hope to have 250 as the strength in 11th standard. And the stream of studies what we are going to offer will consist science stream, commerce stream and humanities stream separately. Science stream A will be consisting of English, math, physics, chemistry and biology as the subjects, and the science stream B will be consisting of English, math, physics, chemistry and computer science. The humanities stream will be consisting of the subjects political science, economics, English, history and psychology as the optional subject. Besides this, we also give optional subjects like media studies, Tamil and Hindi. The commerce stream will be consisting of the subjects like economics, accountancy, business studies, English, computer science or math as optional subject. We have 4 separate classrooms for the optional subjects. We are about to offer optional subjects like Tamil, Hindi, psychology and media studies for the children. There are 4 classrooms for this particular stream. We have the facilities for indoor games and we offer chess, caroms and table tennis. The length of this indoor games room is 6.63 meter in length and 6.86 meter in width. We have a huge auditorium in our school and its length is 33.90 meter and its width is 11.75 meter. This auditorium consists of a stage which is of 5.05 in length. All the kinds of programs, school related programs and parents meeting, everything is being conducted here. Art is the grandeur of life. Having understood this, we give special importance for fine arts in our school. There is a separate drawing studio in our school. We are into the drawing studio now. Students love to be here and they learn watercolor painting, pencil shading, line drawing, coloring, 3D objects sketch off, and so on. There is a dance studio for the children. It is well furnished and set up with mirrors. Children learn folk, classical and some indigenous dances here. For cultural events also, we give practice for the children here. There is a separate music room in our school. Here we give practice for keyboard, guitar and vocal. School choir team is made to practice for the ground assemblies and other programs conducted in the school. Moreover, for all the inter and intra competitions, children are being trained here. We concentrate more on the application knowledge and we give much importance for activities. Hence, we have involved activities as differentiated instructional activities in our curriculum, and with the help of this, we practice our children in the activity room. We have a room for counseling the children. Our special educator counsels the children here. We have a wellness room in our school. There are beds laid and you can see them, and all the first aid related medicines with necessary pills are also available here. Our children of grade 1 to 10 had been given tetanus vaccination. At times, medical checkups are also done by doctors here.